viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to add this PC icon to desktop. Click on Windows Start button. Type this PC. Right click on this PC. Click on Open File Location. Again, right click on this PC. Click on Show More Options. Click on Send to and click on Desktop. Now, this PC icon is added to desktop. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked the video. For more such videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Kindly click on the bell icon to get notifications of the latest videos.